You say Long Beach.
Yeah, Cal State Long Beach.
Oh, we're rivals.
Yeah. Where do you go?
Fullerton.
Oh,
Uh,
yeah. I think let's wrap this up.
yeah, let's go home. Let's go.
My name's Patrick.
Okay. How did you first hear about Southland?
I first heard about Southland actually at a job fair. I knew it was a big MEP job fair, and Southland happened to be the biggest one, and I was very interested, and they were the first company I talked to, and here I am. Describe your area of focus as an intern in one sentence to someone that may not know anything about it. So safety, what is that?
I'm basically like an added resource on project sites to basically maintain the health and safety of not just workers, but everybody that's on site.
That's good to know. Glad we're being safe, you know.
Safety is everyone's responsibility.
There you go.
What have you learned at Southland so far?
Never touched Revit before, and it's not part of the curriculum in my school for mechanical engineering at least. Besides just the program itself, obviously I learned a lot about plumbing. I learned a lot about HVAC. In general, MEP is one of the more stable careers, especially for engineers. The majority of what I've learned has been through just working on actual projects. That's a big one that's really helping me learn a lot about like Revit as a program and like all the codes and Southland standards and industry standards as a whole.
What's a hot take that you have about any beloved summer activity?
The beach is overrated.
I'd rather go in a pool.
Yeah, I'd rather just go in a pool.
Because why do I want to swim with sharks? No thank you. I don't even know how to swim, so.
If you could create the perfect intern activity for Southland interns, what would it be?
Like a bonfire, like a beach bonfire.
That'd be
like,
a good one.
Like beach day, but like bonfire.
Yeah, we're so close too. We should just do that. Yeah. We should just do that. It's a great idea.
Someone bring out a guitar, start
Yeah.
singing. I don't know.
Oh.
That'd be really cool.
What's your favorite Harry Potter movie?
Oh man,
It's tough. It's tough.
there's so many.
I think there's.
The saddest one, when Dobby dies.
Oh, I know.
I just watched it.
No,
Deathly Hallows
Deathly
Part
Hallows
1.
Oh. I think my favorite one is probably Prisoner of Azkaban.
Oh, that's a good one. I have a Harry Potter tattoo.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you're a big time fan.
Yeah,
A little bit.
just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna get like the whole castle. No, just
Oh,
kidding.
wow.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was a lot easier than I thought it'd be.